Hi guys, it's the Woodpecker here, and welcome back to part 3 of my PC build video. Internal wiring and putting the case.
Okay, so I've just connected in the little beeper thing, and also the wires for the power button and stuff at the top. So they're just plugged in down there. I'm just referring to the instruction manual here. The next thing I need to do is on this page is for the front audio, which I use a lot. So that looks like a little long thing. Where is it? Somewhere in here. There it is. There it is. Is that it? I think it is. Or is that USB? I'm confused. Trying to look for all this stuff that's in here. It must be, but then there's USB somewhere which is hiding its way. I'm not sure where the front USB connectors have gone. I found the audio connector, it was hiding. So now we just need to put this one right down here in that little one there. Right where my finger is. There, that one. So I just need to make sure that's the angled the right way, which it is. Hopefully we'll be able to get this down here without having to take this card out. Yeah, we're going to go in. There, we're going to go in there. No idea how long this video is going to be. I can't even get it in there. Oh god. So difficult. I'm going to have to take this card out, I think. I'm going to take this card out so I can get it in there. Okay, so we've now got the audio and the front USBs connected. We can put this card back in. And put the screw back in. Where did the screw go? There it is. Put the screw back in here and screw that card back in where it belongs. Can't wait to see if it actually works, or if it'll be. Hopefully this should be quicker. Is that screw going in? Oh, it is. Okay, I think that's all that kind of stuff. Now I just need to find the main power, which is this big beastie here. Put this in. Goes right the way in. Nice. This one here, this little 4-pin one, is the processor focus. Processor's power. So let's just plug this one in up here. No. Oh, here's upside down. That's probably why it's not going in. Derps. Let's get the fans plugged in. So this needs to. I'm gonna have to unscrew this a little bit. Well, not unscrew. Undo this little wire tag thing. So we have a bit more space, so we can plug this in up here in the correct hole. Yes, I am. Put that one in there. Just put this one in here. So put both fans in. Hopefully I can get this fan in therm plug connector in there. Is that in? Yes, it is. There we go, so those fans are in. What else have we got? Just plug in the power for the DVD drive. No, yeah, power. Like so. Let's get a SATA cable, or SATA, or however you want to say it. Plug one end up in here into the DVD. put one into SATA's 6 gig connector. So let's get this other, the end of this other SATA cable, which is in, well, it was in this hard drive, it's just unplugged. Because the little squeegee things come off, so let's just shove that in there. There we go. Alright. Let's flip this on its side for a sec. Have a look. So yeah, there's still power going into that hard drive. So blue goes in there, so black is master. Okay, so that's the black end. So that needs to go in down here into this hard drive. There we go. Shove the rest of that through there. Now you can put it back on its side again. And put this end. Slide this through one of these. There we go. Put the blue end into the card. Once this comes through, it's all tied up. Okay, we've now got it through the side thing, and I'm just going to plug this into here, like so. It's now in the card. I think that's all of it, I think. Oh. I think that's everything connected. Let's just, still annoyed about that RAM. Okay, so now we've got the side panel. Just put these side panels on really quick. These little thumb screws. So I'm just going to thumb screw this into the back like. There's 4 of these, so one goes there. Never one goes up the top here. Then we're just going to flip it over. Like so. Put another one on this side. Let's not hit the camera. There we go. See if I can get this to slide on one-handed. It's not sliding on. Let's just... Oh, and then it does. Just about to say, let's just take this off camera, but then it goes straight in. Also, I am doing all of this left-handed, and I am right-handed. So, yay. Kind of impressed that I can actually screw in screws with my left hand. Yeah, I don't know how... The only thing is that I'm a bit confused about is how Windows 7 will react to being on a completely different board. Who knows? Because yeah, not the best, but there it is, the beast. Gonna have to put the beast back over here.
I hope you enjoyed part 3 of my PC build video. In the next part I'll be plugging it all back in and testing it out. Like if you enjoyed it, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at @thewoodpecker1 and on Instagram @thewoodpecker_. Bye guys!